Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular methods of making money online. It offers the potential to generate a steady stream of income on a daily basis. While you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, even the most successful marketers often start with small daily earnings. Businesses specializing in marketing make up to a six-figures turnover a month. With the right strategies, it is possible for a beginner to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. The first step to reaching your target with affiliate marketing is to choose the right product. There are many different products available, but it's crucial to choose one that has a large potential customer base. It is also important to choose a product that is relevant to the niche of your website, as this will help attract more customers. Once you have chosen a product, you should promote it on your website and on social media. The second step is to create a compelling offer. This is the key to attracting customers to your website and making sales. Offer discounts or free shipping, or provide promotional codes or coupons to your customers. This will help make your product more attractive and increase the chances of making a sale. The third step is to set up an affiliate program. An affiliate program is a way to earn commissions when customers purchase the product through your website. You can join existing affiliate networks or create your own program. Make sure to use effective tools to track customers and commissions. The fourth step is to promote your product. You can use a variety of methods to promote your product, such as email marketing, social media campaigns, and content marketing. You should also focus on search engine optimization to make sure your website appears in the top search results for relevant keywords. The fifth step consists of building relationship with your customers, which includes responding to customers' queries and providing helpful advice. Keeping track of customers' orders help in monitoring performance and making insightful decisions to maximize customer satisfaction. Finally, stay motivated and have a clear vision of your target. Making money with affiliate marketing can take time. Consistency and focus are key. You should also be patient and continue to experiment with different strategies. This would enable continuous improvement of your understanding of the market and increase your success rate. With the right strategies, it is possible to make a steady stream of income with affiliate marketing. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money. If you enjoy the video, feel free to share. Good luck!